thought this would be a fun idea of narrating this junkyard video while in the junkyard Brat. Now in this video, I came to the junkyard to get parts for this Brat, and I noticed this gentleman, his name is Andy, he was underneath this VW bus right in front of the yard. I've never seen anybody work on a car in front of the yard like that. Everyone I've met has always been in the yard, so Leon actually had to pull this car out in front because he wanted something very valuable from this car. And I didn't know much about VWs until I started working for this VW shop. And then talking to him, he's like, I'm going for this transmission. And it's funny because before I got to the yard, two of my coworkers got there and noticed this gentleman Andy working on this bus, and they knew what he was going after. It was the 6-rib transmission. So after they realized that Andy claimed it, they left. But so I came, I was talking to him, I was like, hey man, if you need a hand with anything, I'm gonna be in and out. I just had to get a few parts, nothing too hard to get, so I was gonna be really quick. I ended up coming back, and he said, yeah man, I could use your hand and use some help. So I helped him for a while actually, until the yard closed. And it got to the point where the engine, when we were trying to split the case, the engine from the trans, it wasn't coming out. And of course we could have gotten it out if we had more time, but we had to tell Leon, hey, this is the issue. We got to cut the back of the engine lid out so we can pull the engine apart from the transmission. So we did have to cut that poor bus. But with limited time, we had to get it out, because Leon said either we get it out now or I take it back into the yard and I'll have to charge you again to pull it back out to the front. So we had to cut it, but luckily it was all successful. We got the transmission. Well, he got it, and he actually gave me 20 bucks, so that was cool. I was just gonna help a friend out, help a new friend. He gave me 20 bucks, and yeah, Leon gave him a killer deal, and my two coworkers, yeah, they were kind of bummed they missed out on the opportunity, but it's all right. It wasn't meant to be. But he's doing a bus restoration. I think he's on, like, I've heard these 6-ribs transmissions are really well built, and they're meant for, you know, racing applications. So I think he's gonna build this bus up so it could be a fast one. I'll have to check in and see how he's doing. But that was that day. It was fun. It was tiring. It was hot. It was middle of summer, and Leon also offered us some sodas in the fridge, and those sodas were definitely probably well past their expiration date. They were a little old. But anyway, it was a good experience, fun time, and this is my first Subaru Brat junkyard narration in the back of these seats. So hope you enjoy. So I got my parts for the Brat. Now I'm helping out my friend Andy. Now this engine caught on fire, but I'm helping him. There, we found it. There's the nut. We gotta bust these 2 nuts off, and then the transmission can come out. Where's the other one? It's over here somewhere. And just like that, we got the bolts out. Let's go. Now I gotta make sure I don't fall on the glass. Check out the old bus. That's so cool. Come on, baby. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on.
That's a screwdriver or something we do with this rubber.
Baby, I can tell you this, after this I'm gonna go get me a tall boy. You like beer? Oh yeah, I'm gonna go work on my project right after this. Oh shit! Woo! Alright, something.
There you go.
Oh baby. Come on, you dirty SOB. You looking good? Woo! There we go.
Alright.
Now we're talking.
See those two bolts right there?
Yeah.
You can't access them.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Because the engine's blocking.
Yeah.
Those, I think those.
Just yank that SOB back. All right. The van has been disassembled. And that's what's left. Let's look at the score for Andy. Nice score.